Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Tales Pod. My name is John. Today, I want to tell you another story about Anna. Last time, we followed Anna during a busy workday. Today is different. Today is Saturday. It is the weekend. Anna loves the weekend. The weekend is her favorite time of the week. She does not need to go to work. She does not need to wake up early. She can relax and enjoy her time. This morning, Anna wakes up at 8 o'clock. The sunshine comes through her window. The room feels warm and bright. Anna smiles. She knows it is the weekend. She stays in bed for a few more minutes. She listens to the sounds outside. People are talking. Birds are singing. Cars are moving slowly along the street. It feels like a peaceful morning. Soon, Anna gets up. She goes to the kitchen. Today, she wants a special breakfast. She makes eggs, toast, and coffee. Breakfast is important to Anna. She enjoys eating slowly. She enjoys quiet mornings. As she eats breakfast, she looks outside her window. The sunshine makes everything look beautiful. The trees look green. The sky looks blue. It is a perfect day. After breakfast, Anna decides to go for a walk. She puts on comfortable shoes. She takes her phone and leaves her apartment. The weather is wonderful. The sunshine feels warm on her face. Anna walks toward a nearby park. The park is one of her favorite places. Many people visit the park during the weekend. Some people are walking. Some people are running. Some people are sitting on benches. Children are playing games. Dogs are running across the grass. Everyone looks happy. Anna enjoys her walk. She walks slowly and takes her time. She likes watching people. She likes listening to nature. She likes the peaceful atmosphere. Near the center of the park, Anna sees many beautiful flowers. There are red flowers. There are yellow flowers. There are pink flowers. Anna loves flowers. She stops and looks at them carefully. The flowers are bright and colorful. She takes out her phone. She decides to take a photo. The flowers look beautiful in the sunshine. Anna takes several photos. She wants to remember this lovely morning. After spending time in the park, Anna continues her walk. Not far from the park, there is a small market. The market is open every weekend. Anna enjoys visiting the market. The market is full of fresh food and local products. Many people are shopping. Some people are buying fruit. Some people are buying vegetables. Others are buying bread. Anna walks from one stand to another. She buys apples. She buys oranges. She buys fresh bread. Then she sees a stand full of flowers. Again, she smiles. The flowers are beautiful. She buys a small group of flowers for her apartment. The flowers make her happy. Soon it is lunchtime. Anna decides to visit her family. Her parents live on the other side of the city. She takes a bus and travels to their home. Her family is happy to sight her. Her mother gives her a big hug. Her father smiles warmly. Anna enjoys spending time with her family. They sit together. They talk about work. They talk about life. They talk about future plans. Her mother prepares lunch. Everyone eats together. The food is delicious. Anna laughs and enjoys every moment. Family is very important to her. She does not see them every day. That is why weekends are special. They give her time with her family. After lunch, Anna shows her parents the photo she took in the park. Her mother loves the flowers. Her father likes the sunshine in the picture. They all smile together. The afternoon passes quickly. Before leaving, Anna helps her mother clean the kitchen. Then she says goodbye. She promises to visit again soon. Back at home, Anna places the flowers on her table. The apartment feels brighter. The flowers bring color into the room. Anna sits on her sofa. She opens a book. She spends the evening reading and relaxing. There is no stress. There is no hurry. It is simply a peaceful weekend. As the sun begins to set, Anna looks around her apartment. She thinks about her day. She enjoyed breakfast. She enjoyed her walk. She enjoyed the park. She enjoyed the market. She enjoyed seeing her family. She enjoyed taking photos. Most of all, she enjoyed the chance to relax. It was a simple day, but simple days can be wonderful. Sometimes happiness comes from small things. A warm breakfast, beautiful flowers, a walk in the sunshine, a visit with family, a quiet evening at home. Anna smiles. Today was a very good weekend day, and she feels ready for a new week. Thank you for listening to English Tales Pod. To get the PDF file and the audio version of this episode, please visit the link in the description or join our English Tales Pod Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English stories and learning content. See you in the next episode.